Hello, plant enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered about the age-old belief that cactus plants bring bad luck to homes? Join us as we delve into the intriguing world of cultural beliefs and superstitions surrounding these resilient desert dwellers. Cultural beliefs. In some cultures, cactus superstitions stem from ancient beliefs. In Mexican folklore, it's said that bringing a cactus into the house invites misfortune due to its association with desert hardships. Symbol of resilience. Cacti thrive in arid environments, enduring extreme conditions. Their ability to survive harsh climates has led to the symbolic association with resilience and strength in various cultures. Personal perspectives. Luck is subjective. Personal beliefs shape perceptions. While some find cacti charming and resilient, others may associate them with negativity based on cultural upbringing or personal experiences. Negative stereotypes. Negative stereotypes about deserts and their flora contribute to the belief that cacti bring bad luck. These stereotypes often lack a scientific basis but persist in cultural narratives. Individual experiences. Personal anecdotes can influence beliefs. If someone experienced a negative event coinciding with acquiring a cactus, they might attribute the misfortune to the plant, fostering the belief in bad luck. Feng Shui perspectives. In Feng Shui, cacti are considered sharp and can disrupt energy flow. Placing them strategically is believed to counterbalance their potential negative impact on the energetic harmony of a space. Cultural practices. Cultural practices and traditions influence beliefs about plants. In some cultures, certain plants are revered, while others, like cacti, may be associated with challenges or unfavorable energy. Positive symbolism. Despite negative associations, cacti are admired for their unique beauty and resilience. In Western cultures, they're often seen as trendy decor elements, challenging traditional superstitions about their supposed negative energy. Personal preferences. Personal taste plays a role in the belief in cactus-induced bad luck. Some may prefer lush, leafy plants over the spiky appearance of cacti, fostering the belief that they bring negativity. Scientific perspective. From a scientific standpoint, plants lack inherent luck-inducing properties. Beliefs in cactus-associated bad luck are rooted in cultural and personal interpretations rather than any scientifically proven influence of the plant. Ultimately, whether a plant is considered lucky or unlucky is subjective and can vary from one cultural or individual belief system to another. If you enjoy having cactus plants in your home, there's no reason to believe they would bring bad luck. And there you have it, folks. The mystery behind whether cactus plants bring bad luck is as prickly as their spines. If you enjoyed unraveling this superstition, don't forget to subscribe for more plant-related explorations. Happy planting!